So how to connect headphone on your Samsung Galaxy S F05? Turn on your device and then simply go to your Bluetooth section and enable your Bluetooth and wait a couple of seconds to pairing. So it's a digital wireless headphone. Then press on pairing. Now press on pair. Now let's check again. Then connect it. Now if you play any music, if you play any audio, then you can see it's gonna be Bluetooth. So that's it. And if you want to disconnect it, just press and hold, then press this, then your device is automatically disconnect. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up